Kunnamangalam Bhagawati Temple near Kozhikode has long been a spiritual anchor for the Malabar region. At its heart, the Karnikara Mandapam, once a vibrant hall for rituals and festivals, had fallen into decay. Its revival was led by EZHA, a conservation practice founded by three women architects. Guided by traditional building methods, they restored the mandapam with locally sourced timber and regional craftsmanship. Funded entirely by the community, the project created livelihoods, empowered local artisans, and ensured sustainability at every step.
Through works like the Karnikara Mandapam and the Karnikara Temple, we have seen local involvement and the UNESCO recognition bring pride and new life to a place. Beyond architecture, we also engage through heritage walks, talks, lectures, making heritage a living experience.
Recognized by UNESCO, the mandapam today is more than a restored structure. It is living heritage preserved through community ownership, women-led leadership, and respect for tradition.